Hey guys! Hello, for today's video is naubusan kami ng bigas, so bibili ako. Pero bago ako bibili, magsisimba muna ako guys. May 4:30 na man sa Redemptorist. Yes, so yun guys, simba muna ako guys ng bonggang-bongga. Nasa 50th floor kami, ang taas. Doon lang naman ako magsisimba guys, oh. Yun, ayun. Tapos yung pure gold nandito banda. So 4:30 mass. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, so yun, mag-charge lang ako. Then after, bili ng bigas kasi wala na kaming bigas na lulutuin tonight. So bago naisipan ko, bago ako magbili, mag-charge na lang ako kasi malapit lang naman, walking distance. So yun guys, ito yung view dito na area. Ayan, diba, nasa 53 floor kami. Pangatlong beses na namin lipat to. Dati 50, tas 27, ngayon 50 naman, 53. Ano po yung outfit natin guys? Oh, malaki ng tiyan ko. Nakachinelas lang tayo ng bongga. Ayan, malapit lang na. So yes guys, at of course magdala tayo ng paypay kasi baka mainit. For sure mainit talaga kahit may electric fan. So press ko muna yung elevator ng bonggang-bongga. Yes, nasa 12, 36, 14, 36, diba? Sadaan. And of course guys, don't forget to like and comment and share na rin if gusto nyo i-share. Diyan ako bibili ng rice. Yes guys, sa Redemptorist Parish lang ako magsimba. Over there. Yeah. This is the Redemptorist guys. This is, dito ako nagsisimba. Yeah, see? Yes guys, manang mas. So now ato ko pure gold, magpalit bugas o some other food to buy. Yes. You called. Yeah, I'll be going inside. So walang laman. So may ganador sila guys. There, ganador. How much the ganador is? Wala, may ganador. Nakalagay guys. Ganador is 5 kilos. 9. Diba? Bongga. Potato. Ang mahal. Kaloka. Madaming laman. Bakit mahal? Yun guys, Skyflakes, patatas, o ganador. Yan. Ako, Gatorade. Guys, walang Gatorade. Walang Gatorade, guys. See, wala. Naday sa tumuli, guys. It's here. Bobo. Ay, it's here. It's here pala, guys. Gatorade. Bobo dyan ko ba yung tao eh. Diba, ayan guys. Yan lang naman bibilhin ko for now. Because I already bought last week. So now, we'll go to counter. Yes guys, counter. Thank you, Pia. Kawawang bigas. Charot. I'm here in the lobby. Fall in line. Hey guys, I just arrived at our floor in 53. So, tulog guys. Natapos ako ng church. Look at my hair. Look at the view. See, hindi maganda ang panahon. Parang uulan. So, thank you for watching guys. And of course, don't forget to share and like. Thank you. I love you all. Okay, magpapasa ka din ako and then mag-prepare na ako ng dinner. Thank you. I love you all. Have a good night.